So I made a major mistake, guys. I launched my drone in that parking lot in front of a police station. Stuck in a traffic jam in the floating market. There's 6 boats trying to get through this whole spot. Alright, this is crazy here, but one of the things I want to do is fly a drone, and I can't find any good spots other than right here to launch. There's some wires here I gotta be a little bit careful of. But right out there is the market, so I think I might do that right here. Actually, I'm going to walk down a bit. I've got an hour, I've got 35 minutes to find a spot. The floating market closes at 1 apparently. Busy with people. And everyone's your best friend. They're trying to sell you stuff, get you to buy food now because, well, it is lunchtime. Yeah, this place is crazy, but there's a street right over there. I think I'm going to have a good spot over here, so I'm going to look for a place to fly it. Put the name of the market that I'm at right now. I don't have the exact name, but I have taken a picture of the sign, so you have to see that in the drone footage as well. So here we go. Hopefully I'll find a spot. Alright, I think I just found an empty lot that might work out perfect. Oh yeah, this is going to be great. It's a parking lot right by Story Coffee. If you're looking to fly a drone, perhaps this is the place to do it. Pretty big parking lot, it's perfect. And it is a little bit windy, so I'm a little bit worried about that. But yeah, I'll get up there for about, I don't know, maybe 3-4 minutes, and then I'll be done. Also, if I remember right, maximum height, I'll correct this if I'm wrong, I think it's 120 meters. So here we go, I'm going to launch it from right here. That was successful drone flight. It's up there for maybe 3 or 4 minutes. It's kind of hard because you have to, you want to keep line of sight, so that was important for me to do that. But I was able to do that pretty good if I was up a little bit higher. So one thing I forgot to do, and I don't know if it's going to matter, I forgot, but I didn't, after I was done recording, I didn't hit the stop button on record. But I think I'm still okay on that. So I made a major mistake, guys. I launched my drone in that parking lot in front of a police station. I just learned that. There was a security guard that was walking around. He was taking pictures of the boats and stuff. So he's very close to me, and I thought, well, I wonder if he's taking pictures of me as well. It just seemed odd that, if he's here all the time. So anyway, hopefully it won't cause me any problems when I leave. It might, but I have the license, so I'm good. Anyway, it's just kind of crazy that I did that, but I'll show you what the sign for the police station looks like, so don't do it there. All right.
So I'm going to give a little quick update on this video. So initially I had heard from my tour guide, she had said that I had actually flown that in front of a police station. But what I did learn, actually, a few days later, I'd done a little research, and it was, I got to get the name right here, it was the Moral Union Foundation building. So it's people that are kind of trying to teach morality. So I was pretty freaked out when I first thought it was in front of a police station, and that wasn't the case. So I was pretty happy about that. One thing I did do was I used the DJI Fly app to make sure there were no restrictions within that location, and no geozone restrictions. So I think that's really important. Also, had consulted the FlySafe website also. So I kind of did my homework just to make sure. And also, you'll see here that I actually did have a permit to fly there. I think that's really important. And I'm going to link the FEIC website down below so you can see how to do that if you're flying to Thailand. Highly recommend that. You'll just feel a lot better. You don't have to really look over your shoulder the whole time like I thought I had to when I thought there was a security guard kind of watching me. Who knows what was going on there. But anyway, so I just want to kind of give you guys an update. There was no police station there, and I was flying 100% legal where I was at. So give it a like and a subscribe, and hopefully I'll have some more videos on my next trip to Thailand.